Hello, it's Ken here from Smart Forex Education, weekly review, 10th of June 2013, Euro-Dollar chart. So this is on the daily time frame. It's just been quite fascinating, the huge surge, the move that the Euro-Dollar has made over the last week or so. We've seen that it actually broke through, very interesting enough, it broke through the previous high. But what really stands out here is, although it did break through the previous high, it has really failed to actually close above this. So this is showing me some strong signs that individuals were looking at covering their trades. So the traders that had bought at a lower price or cheaper price were actually selling at those highs. Okay, so they had targets set at these specific levels, generally maybe actually above the previous high, because at this area you can see that certain traders would have looked, or the retail guys would have looked to actually buy into this move to the upside on a potential breakout. This breakout did occur, but the daily close failed to close above the previous high. That's very significant. And then we saw on Friday, the jobs day today, that the market actually failed to close above the high and close below the high. And this was a potential turning point for price. So currently we're Asian session, we're trading just slightly above the open. So the next potential level where the price can get to, just drawn in here, is this support level around 1.3143. That's in price. You can get there. And then also, it might be wise to actually, I'm going to draw in a trendline resistance because we have this now in place. So that's my two setups. Market's failing to hold here, so we may see a run down to try and hunt some stops from individuals that actually bought around this level to test this price. If it breaks through that, then we might get a continuation move. This is over the next few days, by the way. Few days to a week. The longer term perspective, you might try and either get a continued push down to the support. I've got this trendline support on a longer term time frame at 1.2818. Highly unlikely is going to get there within the next week or so, unless we see something really, some data that really is negative for the euro and positive for the dollar. But apart from that, the market will probably try and trade in this range. So just something to be aware for the next few days.